At least 8 persons, including a minor and a woman, lost their lives, and more than dozen suffered serious injuries after a double-decker bus was hit by another double-decker on Purvanchal Expressway, where I'm reporting from. You can see we have come to the ground zero to show you the visuals of that tragic incident which took place in the Barabanki area. This is one particular bus which smashed another double-decker. In a way, you can see that entire area has been collapsed and people rushed from their spot, leaving their belongings behind. You can see from the clear angle where the damage has taken place. This is the first bus which smashed another bus out here, and you can see the left side of this particular bus has been completely damaged. You can see the seats inside. One side is completely fine, okay, but the other side, the left side, has been completely damaged. This is a double-decker bus. It's not just limited to the lower side, but also damage taking place on the upper side. You can see the cotton, the other belongings, the clothes, a lot of slippers, shoes out here. People have left behind the belongings, the ration, the shoes, many other things, packets of chips and various things, belongings left behind, as many lost their lives. You can see a lot of damage out here. What you can see are some sensitive visuals from here. I'll ask the cameraman to move forward to that particular bus, where that is the number 2 bus. This is the number 1 bus which smashed another bus. You can see the front part of that particular bus. This has already also been completely collapsed. You can see that visual. The right side of that bus has been damaged because this bus smashed this particular bus. And now I'll move forward to show you, this is the bus which was standing still as they were changing the driver. It was early morning around 5 a.m. and at that particular time another speeding double-decker bus smashed this particular bus. You can see the loss out here. A lot of things happen here, belongings, backs of people who lost their lives, who suffered serious injuries. They left behind their shoes, their slippers, a lot of things to eat. You can see the chips packets, biscuit packets out here. But everything went in vain because they suffered serious injuries, while many, including a minor boy, lost their life. And now I'll take you forward to that particular spot where this incident took place, and this is the Purvanchal Expressway, and this is that particular place. Cameraman Sanjay is showing the visuals out here. The buses were en route from Bihar to Delhi. And now I'll take you forward. You can see a lot of inspection work is still on with officials of police, UP Police and District Magistrate of Barabanki have come to this particular field. And this is that particular spot what cameraman Sanjay will show you now. This is that particular spot where the incident took place. This is very serious issue because the one vehicle was standing still while another came in speeding and completely smashed. You can see the lot of cloths out here that are on the ground, a lot of things, shoes, slippers, and you can also see the marks of blood on around this particular ground. What cameraman is trying to show you from the ground zero, and that's what the reality is. And you can see the blood stains out here on the wooden mark and a lot of belongings. And this is that particular spot where the incident took place, and which we are trying to show you from ground zero in Barabanki and Purvanchal Express with cameraman Sanjay Samad Srivastava for India Today.